ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணீயம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 80 ஸ்லோகா 6. ததனு சகலு व्रीलालोलो विलोल विलोचनां दुहितरमहो धीमान् भामां गिरैव परार्पिताम् आदितमणिना तुभ्यं लभ्यं समेत्य भवानपि प्रमुदितमनास्तस्यै वादान्मणिं गहनाशयः. Word by word meaning. Tadanu, thereafter. Dhiman saha, that intelligent Satrajit. Vrila lolaha, filled with shame. Vilola Vilochanam, whose eyes were always moving. Gira Eva Khalu, by word alone. Pararpitam, given to another. Satadanva. Duhitaram Bhamam, daughter Satyabhama. Manina Saha, along with the jewel. Tubhyam Adita, gave to thee. Aho, and lo. Gahanashayah Bhavan Api, thou whose mind cannot be fathomed. Labhyam, what is worth getting his daughter. Sametya, having got. Pramudita Manaha, very happy. Tasya Eva Manim Adat, didst return the jewel to him. Full meaning. Thereafter, the intelligent Satrajit, who was filled with shame, gave thee his daughter Satyabhama, who had earlier been promised to Satadhanva, and also the jewel. Thou whose mind cannot be fathomed by anyone, didst return the jewel to Satrajit himself, being very happy at having got what thou didst want, namely his daughter. Om Tat Sat.